really exciting. We find some paint and watch it dry.
The other one disappeared.
Okay, if I put this internet, I think it's good homework. If I put this on, I haven't got another page for you. I would really like you to explain this to homework, to explain what you're seeing. And I've videoed it, so how can I make it so that you can see the video? If I email it to your school emails, would you be able to pick it up from there?
Yeah. Not from home, but we can pick it up and then email it.
Or I can put it on. I can put it on SkyDrive. And you can get at that. I can give you the address. It doesn't matter.
Did you put it on iPad?
I'd have to create a page. I don't have one for you guys. It's not. I don't use iPad. Use a lot.
Did you put one there and one on the other side?
I put two different substances, one on one side, one on the other side. On the left hand side, it's.
And that one's disappeared.
I don't see what the point of the powder is.
The other one.
What powder?
Well, just that white powder. Is it just a little bit of a smudge?
No, it's powder.
Oh, there is powder.
I put two substances, one on the left,
The other one.
one on the right.
Yeah, the one on the left.
Lead iodide on the left and potassium nitrate on the right. No, that's not right. Lead nitrate on the right and potassium iodide on the left. So, explain using ideas of particles. What happened?
Are we allowed to say?